Class 3, Subject Science, Chapter 1, Living and Non-Living Things, Part 2. This is your Environmental Awareness book, that is your EVS book. Objective of the chapter. In this video, we will be studying about the features of living things and non-living things. In the previous video, we have studied about the two features of living things, that all living things can move and living things can grow. Now we will proceed towards the third feature. Living things need food and water because food gives them energy. We eat fruits and vegetables. We drink milk, water, juice. Few animals, or we can say some animals like cow, eat grass. Some animals eat other animals like lion and tiger. Some eat insects and some eat grains like birds, crow, etc. Do you know plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, with the help of water, soil and air present in the atmosphere. They use these things to prepare their own food in the leaves. Actually, the plants are the primary source of food. Plants are the primary producer of food. Everyone depends for the food on plants. Cow eat grass, birds eat grains which comes from the plants. Humans eat various types of vegetables, pulses, chapati, etc. which ultimately comes from the plants. Butterfly suck the nectar from the flowers, and flowers are the parts of the plants only. So directly or indirectly, we all are dependent on plants for the food. The fourth feature is living things can breathe. Humans and animals or birds take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe through tiny holes present in the leaves known as stomata. These are the stomata which help them to take in carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Non-living things do not breathe. If we take the example of table, chair, car, mountain, pencil, pen, etc., they do not breathe. Living things have feelings. They react to what happened to them and respond to their surroundings. But non-living things cannot feel. If we will take the example of touch me not plant, it is a living thing. Whenever we will touch its leaves will get closed. So we can say that plants also have feelings. They can feel and can react to what happened to them. Living things can reproduce. Reproduce means to produce young ones of our own type. Like cat gives birth to kittens, birds lay eggs to give birth to their babies, and humans give birth to their offsprings. If we will take the example of plants, seeds are sown into the soil to get the tree. From tree we get the fruits. From the fruits again we get the seeds, and these seeds again sown into the soil. So this cycle goes on, and how the plants reproduce. Living things can die. Some live for days like mosquitoes, insects. Some for years like humans, dogs, etc. And some live for many years like trees. But non-living things do not die. They can be repaired, they can be replaced, but we cannot say that they are dead or they have been died. So let's recapitulate. We have things around us. It can be natural thing or man-made thing. Natural thing can be living or non-living, and man-made thing will always be non-living thing. Natural thing, living thing. Then it can move, can breathe, can feel, can reproduce, can eat and drink, can grow, can die. It is non-living thing, then it cannot move, cannot breathe, cannot feel, cannot reproduce, cannot eat and drink, cannot grow, and cannot die. Now you can differentiate between living and non-living thing very easily. Living things are the things that can grow and non-living things cannot grow. Living things can feel, non-living things cannot feel. Living things can move from one place to another. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another. Living thing can reproduce, non-living thing cannot reproduce. Living thing can breathe, non-living things cannot breathe. Living things eat food and water to get energy. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things can die, non-living things cannot die. Let's play a quiz and a quick recap of what we have learned in this. First question. Answer the following question. First is, plants breathe through, and the answer is stomata. The next question is, can table feel? Yes or no? The answer is no. Very good. Balloons are non-living things or living things? The answer is that balloons are non-living things. The next question is, do plants show movement? Yes or no? Yes, plants show movement. The plants move towards the direction of sun. Thank you. I hope you must have understood chapter number 1, living and non-living things. Thanks for watching.